Linear gradients are everywhere in modern web design, but many developers still reach for background images when CSS can do it all natively. Let's learn how to create stunning gradient backgrounds with just a few lines of code. The foundation of CSS gradients is the linear gradient function. You use it as the value for either the background or background image property. The function generates an image that smoothly transitions between colors. Here's the simplest possible gradient: background : linear gradient, open parenthesis, red, blue, close parenthesis. This creates a gradient that flows from top to bottom by default. You control the gradient direction in two ways. First, you can use directional keywords like to right, to bottom left, or to top. These are intuitive and read naturally. Second, you can use angles in degrees, like 45 deg for diagonal, 90 deg for left to right, or 180 deg for bottom to top. Angles give you precise control over any direction you need. Color stops define the colors in your gradient, and you need at least 2 to create a transition. But you can add as many as you want. Here's a 3-color gradient. Background linear gradient to right, red, yellow, green. The browser automatically distributes the colors evenly. You can also control exactly where each color appears by adding position values using percentages or length units. Position values unlock creative control. Use percentages like red 0%, blue 50% to place colors at specific points. You can even create hard color transitions by placing 2 colors at the same position. For example, red 50%, blue 50% creates an instant color change with no gradient between them. This technique lets you build stripe patterns and geometric designs. Linear gradients are a powerful CSS feature that combines the linear gradient function, flexible direction control, and precise color stop positioning. Master these fundamentals and you'll create beautiful gradient backgrounds without ever touching an image editor. Keep practicing. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.